everybody, we are currently at CVS and I am excited to go shopping today. There's actually some really good deals that I'm hoping to get. I'm hoping to get a good deal on some sunscreen because it's the summer and we need some. But let's go inside and have some fun. I'm hoping to get some Ibotta deals. I don't need anything really for Ibotta bonuses, but let's just try to see what we can get. So let's go inside, have some fun, and save some money. We have the Nyx Lip Gloss for $5.49. I actually have two different CRTs. I have a $3 off Nyx makeup and I also have a 3 off of 10 Nyx makeup. So I will be using both of those. You'll end up just paying $4.98, but when you purchase the two of them, you get a $6 extra care buck, making these a $1.02 moneymaker. The all laundry detergent is on sale for $3.99. We're gonna end up using a $1.50 off insert coupon, plus I have a $1.50 off digital coupon, and I'm gonna stack it with a 2 off of 2 all laundry detergent. So I'll end up just getting both of these for $2.98 or $1.49 each. I'm actually going to get the eyeliner this time because I have a ton of mascara and eyebrow pencils, but we're going to get the mascara or the eyeliner for $7.99. Now we do have some $4 off printable coupons. Otherwise, we just also received a $4 off digital coupon, so I'm going to use one of each, and then I have a $4 off CRT that printed from the red machine. So you're going to buy two of these for $7.99, use the three $4 off coupons, the two coupons in the CRT. You'll pay $3.98, but when you purchase two CoverGirl products, you get a $6 extra care buck, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. The sheer deodorant this week is on sale for $2 along with this little brute guy, but they are $2 on sale this week. You guys will purchase one and you'll pay $2, but then you'll get a $2 extra care buck back, making this absolutely free. So I'm grabbing the Dove women's deodorant for $9.49, and then I have one of the men's deodorant for $9.99. I currently have a 3 off of 15 CRT of the deodorants that I'm going to use, and then there is a $2 off digital coupon that you can use. I was going to do the degree, but the coupon expires today, and this is a deal that you guys can do for the rest of the week, and there's only a 50-cent difference, so that's the reason why I'm doing it this way. But you're going to use that $2 off coupon. You'll pay $14.48, but when you spend $15, you get a $5 extra care buck. This is an old tag that they didn't take down, but it's pretty much the same exact deal. But there is a deal with Ibotta where you get $3 back with the women's deodorant and $4 back. It is a limit of 1 for the men's deodorant, so you'll get $7 back with the Ibotta, making it $2.48 or just $1.24 per deodorant. The Skin to Mint razors are on sale this week for $5.99 along with some of the men's razors for $5.99. I'm actually going to use an insert coupon for $4, and then I have some printables that expire today for $4 that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use 3 $4 off insert coupon or printable insert coupons. You would pay $5.97, but when you purchase the 3 of them or spend $15, you get a $5 extra care buck, making these 97 cents or just 33 cents each. I'm gonna get the Hydro Skin Shave Cream for $8.59. It's this purple one. I actually have 2 of these $3 off Hydro Skin Shave Cream CRTs that I'm going to be using, and then I also am going to be using a $1 off insert coupon. My final price for just one of these is just $7 or $1.59. If your store has this is a great deal. I'm not doing this deal, but the Wendy's Frosted Cereal is on sale for $1.99. We do have a $1 off Ibotta rebate, so you guys could just get this box for just 99 cents. My store also has the Frosted Flakes with marshmallows, but I've scanned this and there's nothing popping up, even though there is a $1 rebate. It's not working, but there is some great deals that you guys cannot pass up with cereal. I also have a 4 off of 15, so if I bought 8 boxes of cereal, I would use that 4 off of 15. That comes out to be $11. Somebody's at my house. It comes out to be $11, but then you get $4 back here, and then you'll get $2 back with other Kellogg's cereal that you got. It ends up becoming to be $5.92 for 8 boxes, or just 74 cents each if you did like the 4 Wendy's and then other boxes, but that is a great deal. here is an even better deal. So I have this in my store also. So these are all both $1.99. I have a 4 off of 15 CRT that if I wanted to use that, I could use that. I'll end up just paying, hold on you guys, I'll end up just paying $1.99 times 8, okay? Then we take off the 4, so it's $11.92 you would pay for cereal. But you can submit your receipt for $1 and $1. Both of these have a limit of 5, so you could submit your receipt for $8 back, making 8 boxes just $3.92 or 49 cents each, which is a great deal. These Flips Bites are on sale for 2 for $2. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you'll pay $2 for it. But then you can submit your receipt to 75 cents back with Ibotta. So you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making these just 25 cents each or 50 cents together. Hi everybody, welcome back to my CVS haul. Now, I don't know if it was just me or what, but my CVS app was really ticking me off. Like, I had to constantly keep closing it out, opening it up. It would just have a white screen when I scanned it. It really sucked because I wanted to do a little bit more deals, or I wanted to go by faster, but it just kind of just was not working the way I wanted it to work. But if you guys were having problems with your app, let me know. But there is a deal that I do want to share with you guys if you guys kind of watch it. There is a cereal deal. Now, I don't eat any of that cereal, and for a while there, I was just buying cereal because it's an awesome deal and it just sits there, or I could donate it, but I've donated so much cereal. I still donate a lot of cereal. But there is a great deal if you guys have that 4 off of 15 cereal CRT, and then you guys have the Ibotta rebates, and then if your store carries them in stock. But like for $4 for 8 boxes of cereal, I think is a very great deal. I feel like I'm saying cereal weird, but it might be a Wisconsin thing. I don't know, but that, if you guys can do that deal, definitely go for it. So I ended up getting this Schick Skintimate razors. Now these were $5.99. I had 3 $4 off coupons. I used a paper coupon, and then I used 2 printables because they were expiring. You guys might also have a digital, but I used mine up. But you buy 3 of them, you use those $4 off coupons. I didn't have any shave CRTs, which is weird, but you'd pay $5.97. You get a $5 extra care buck, making these 97 cents or just 33 cents each, which I think is a very great deal if you guys want to get some razors. I got the Flips candy. These were 2 for $2. There is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making these just 25 cents each or 50 cents for both of them. Great deal. I ended up getting the CoverGirl eyeliner just because I prefer getting eyeliner than the eyebrow pencils. I use this stuff that I get at Ulta to color my eyebrows in, but these were $7.99. I used 2 $4 off insert coupon, or I used 1 printable coupon and 1 digital coupon. I also had a $4 off Redbox coupon, making these $3.98. But then you get a $6 extra care buck back, making them a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, if you went with the ones that were $6.99, it would have been probably a $4.02 moneymaker. But like I said, I've been trying to get makeup that's actually useful. I know it's always good to get like the cheapest stuff. Trust me, I totally would get the cheapest stuff, but it gathers up so much and you end up buying the stuff that you need. So I'm like, why not? Because I'm gonna use eyeliner anyways. So yes. I ended up getting the men's deodorant and the women's deodorant. This was $9.99. This was $9.49. Now, there was a degree deal that I was going to do, but then I changed my mind because this deal lasts longer than the degree deal. So, depending on how you guys want to do it. But this was a spend 15. So, you get these for I think it was like 19 something. But anyways, there was a $2 off digital coupon, and then I had a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT. I also had a buy one get one 30% off men's deodorant CRT, but my store only had just the one, and that Ibotta rebate is only 1, so yeah. But anyways, you'd pay $14.48. You get a $5 extra care buck back, then you also get a $4 Ibotta rebate and a $3 Ibotta rebate, making both of these just $2.48 or $1.24, which is a pretty great deal for going to be 10 bucks all the way down to $1.24. I got this Schick Hydro Skin. I was gonna do this deal last week, but then I was just gonna see if there was any deal that I could, you know, combined with it, but nothing did. But this was $8.49. I had 2 $3 off Chic Skin Hydro CRTs, and then I had a $1 off insert coupon. Just got this for $1.49, so it's okay. I mean, it's shave cream, can't go wrong with a new product. We ended up getting the Sure deodorant. These were $2 on sale. You guys would pay $2 for it, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making this absolutely for free. I ended up getting the Nyx Butter Gloss. These were what were these? $5.49. All my stuff, all my Nyx products, I had to scan every single price I was grabbing because everything was priced completely wrong. My store has been like this for months and they have never changed the prices. I don't know if they're just completely just don't know that the prices have changed or what, but I think I'm going to mention it to the store manager because it sucks, because when you rely on the spends deal and you think it's that price and it's not. So if your store ever does that, make sure you guys inform them. I even post sale tags for them because I know they're understaffed and they need that help. But I had a 3 off of 10 Nyx CRTs, so I ended up making sure I got $10 worth. And then I had that $3 off instant CRT, paid $4.98. But then you get a $6 extra care buck when you purchase the 2, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. So I got that. And then I also ended up getting 2 of the all laundry detergents. These were $3.99. I had a $1.50 off insert coupon and a $1.50 off digital coupon. I also had a 2 off of 2 all CRT, making these $2.98. Or $1.49 each, which I will take because laundry is going up like crazy. I was thinking I was gonna try to do the banana boat and copper tone deal, but I just wasn't feeling like I wanted to spend $6 on sunscreen, even though that is a great deal. I just have a lot of it, so I don't need a lot of it, and it doesn't last as long. And then I was thinking of doing the TrustMe deal, but I'm like, you know what? I have so much shampoo and conditioner that comes out to be $1.50 with that digital coupon. So, and then I really wanted to do the Neutrogena makeup wipes, but my store was sold out of that. But my total came to be $2.98. Now, I only used $20 of extra care bucks, but I had the pass, the CVS pass that you guys have. Let me know if you guys want me to include that, because technically I used $10 of my Care Pass money, but I only paid $5. So I don't know how you guys want me to do it, but I did use $20 of the extra care bucks, and then I used the $10. That's $30 right there. I ended up receiving $24 worth of extra care bucks. I received $8.50 back with Ibotta. So if I don't factor in the Care Pass, it came out to be a $9.52 moneymaker, or since I paid $5, it technically came to be a $4.52 moneymaker, but since I'm putting that in there, it came out to be just 48 cents. 48 cents for 15 items, I think, is a great deal. I have to still submit my receipt to all the other apps, but you guys definitely want to go ahead and check out that stuff if you guys haven't already. But CVS was a good haul. I just kind of wish I had more time and my tags were all up, but it sucks when the tags are not up. But definitely do that cereal deal if you guys are hardcore about those kind of cereals. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. I really would like to get a lifetime goal of hitting 100K. I know it's going to take a while, but I really would love to hit that. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more easy money-saving deals. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.